Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change accent in ElevenLabs. If you're generating voiceovers with AI, sometimes you may want the voice to speak with a different accent. A simple way to influence the accent in ElevenLabs is by adding an accent instruction directly before your sentence using brackets. This helps guide the AI on how the voice should sound when reading the text. First, open your browser and go to ElevenLabs. Log into your account and access the dashboard. From here, you can generate AI voiceovers, manage voices, and create audio projects. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where you can type or paste the script that the AI voice will read. You'll also see options to select the voice, adjust voice settings, and generate the audio. Before adding your text, choose the voice you want to use. ElevenLabs provides several voice options with different tones and characteristics. Pick the voice that best fits your project. In this case, choose the 11v3 model for better speech experience. Even though the voice may have a default accent, you can guide it using accent instructions inside your text. Now go to the text box where you write your script. To change the accent, insert an instruction inside square brackets at the beginning of the sentence. For example, British, bottle of water. The instruction inside the brackets tells the AI how you want the sentence to be spoken. Once your script is ready, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will process your text and produce an AI-generated voiceover using the accent cues you included. The generated audio will appear in the results panel, where you can play it instantly.
Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
Once you're satisfied with the voice output, you can download the generated audio file. Many creators use these voice clips for YouTube videos, audiobooks, narrations, marketing content.
Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
The audio can be exported and used in video editing or audio production software.
Bottle of water. Bottle of water.
And that's how to change the accent in ElevenLabs using accent instructions. By inserting a short accent tag in brackets before your sentence, you can guide the AI voice to speak in different styles and accents. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.